This video will take you through installing the Mobicip Child app on your Kindle Fire device. Before you begin, sign up for a Mobicip account from the parent app on your device or the Mobicip website. You can search for the Mobicip app in the Amazon App Store and install it on your child's device. Open the app, select Child, and log in with your Mobicip email and password. Accept the data disclosure agreement and agree to give permission to the Mobicip app to manage the device. Click Add a Child to add your child or select the child who will be using this device. Wait for the device registration to complete. This is the step where your device gets linked to your Mobicip account. Do not hit the back button on your device. Now that the device is linked to your account, you will start setting up Mobicip parental controls on the device. This involves completing 4 steps. Step 1. The first step is to enable location permissions. Click Continue to allow Mobicip to track and share the location of your child with you, and follow the instructions in the next screens. Step 2. The next step is to enable internet filtering on the device. Click Continue. Enable and authenticate the process with your fingerprint or PIN. Then click on Continue to download and install Mobicip CA certificate. Click OK on the following screens to allow VPN access to filter internet content on the device. The next step is to enable the App Manager. This will allow Mobicip to block and manage apps and websites. Click on Enable. Scroll down to Mobicip and turn on the option to enable Mobicip App Manager. Once done, click the device back button to continue to the next step. The last step is to enable uninstall protection to prevent your child from uninstalling Mobicip. Once enabled, removing the app will require your Mobicip account credentials. Click on Enable, and then activate Mobicip as device admin. The device is now secured by Mobicip and is ready to use. Hand over the device to your child so they can customize their dashboard to collaborate with you and learn to self-regulate their device habits. You can manage and customize your child user settings from your Mobicip account on the Mobicip app on your device or by logging into mobicip.com. As always, our support team is on standby to assist you with the setup or if you have any other questions. Please reach out to us by sending an email or setting up a call on mobicip.com/support. And thank you for choosing Mobicip.